What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install new watch faces on your Huawei TalkBand B6, B5 or any of the Huawei TalkBand fitness trackers. So let's just start it. If you go to the watch face section here, you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and that's all. So we got only 7 watch faces and we want to install more. So first of all, make sure that your TalkBand B6 is connected to your smartphone using the Huawei Health application. After that, just tap on Huawei Health application to launch it. Tap on the devices section here. On the next screen, just tap on your TalkBand B6 and then on the dashboard you will find an option called WatchFaces. Just tap on more here and after that it will show you this message that something, just tap on next, give the permission, allow it, and then it will start downloading the watch faces on your smartphone. So you can see that we got lots and lots of watch faces here. This is the recommended section. If you tap on manager, then you will get the option for installation manager. If you tap on this, then it will show you all of the third-party watch faces that you have downloaded from the internet and transfer to your device. So this is a bit of manual work. If you do not know, better to skip this part. If you go to mine, it will show you all of the watch faces that you have already got on your device and you have selected and using it. If you want to remove any of them or do any modification, you can even edit them by tapping on edit button and then you can drag and drop them, or you can just directly delete them. It's totally up to you. If you see the red dot right on top of any of these watch faces, it means there is an update available that will improve the functionality and features of this particular watch face. So if I tap on this, here you can see at the bottom it is showing that there is an update available and maybe it will make the watch face difference in appearance or just the viewing experience. So if you want, you can update from here as well. Let's go back from here and let's download few of them from the recommended section. For example, I would like to give this one a try. So if I tap on this, the next page it will show all of the information, the size, how many times it was downloaded regarding this particular watch face. And then at the bottom you will get the option to install it. Just tap on this. After that it will show you that you will have to log in with your Huawei ID because we are using the theme application right now and you need to log into your Huawei ID to use the theme app to install anything. So just tap on login, then log into your Huawei application ID that you are using on all of the Huawei application. You can see that it's logged in because I am already using it on another application. I'm gonna tap on OK and relaunch the app. Go to devices, go to TalkBand B6, tap on watch faces, then go to this particular one and tap on install again. So now you can see it's downloading and installing. So now if I go back from here to mine, you can see that the new one is now available on my device and it's applied as well. So you can see that my device was here. Now you can see that this particular watch face is applied on my TalkBand B6. Let's give another one a try. For example, this one. And here we go. You can see it's installing pretty fast and changing the watch face as well. So this is how you can install the watch faces on your TalkBand B6. As I have seen already that you got the installation manager as well, from where you can use the third-party watch faces on your TalkBand B6 as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.